give a round of applause for all the gorgeous ladies. This must be so nerve-wracking for you girls. Are you ready for the winners? Are you guys ready for the winners? All right. For the second runner-up, I would first like to call upon the stage Miss Rebecca Nonclau, the second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2023, and also the subtitle holder of Miss Beautiful Eyes, again of 2023, to crown the second runner-up of today's show, Miss Shillong 2024. And the winner, no, not yet. The second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024 is contestant number 14, Loretta Lalu. Please put your hands together for the very beautiful, very gorgeous Loretta Lalu. We present to you the second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024, Miss Loretta Lalu.
Now, for the next title of this evening, I would like to call our reigning Miss Shillong first runner-up, Miss Rachel Jirwa, to come on the stage to crown. Miss Rachel Jirwa, she has crossed the barrier and surpassed expectation by winning the first Miss Hornbill International 2023. Are you ready? The winner, the first runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024 is, any guesses? Contestant number 3, Mahima Sinha. Thank you, Rachel. Your first runner-up, Miss Shillong 2024, Mahima Sinha.
And finally, the winner who will take home a big amount and will be crowned the Miss Shillong 2024 will be crowned by none other than Miss Shaivalri Lartang, the winner of Miss Shillong 2023 and the first runner-up of Miss Meghalaya, and also contested for the Mega Miss Northeast. Please welcome Miss Shaivalri Lartang. Please give her a big round of applause. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The winner of Miss Shillong 2024 is contestant number
Some of you are right and some of you are wrong.
contestant number contestant number 5, Gracy Nandy. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Miss Shillong 2024, Miss Gracy Nandy.
Miss Gracy Nandy.
One more time, please give her a big round of applause.
Second runner-up, contestant number 14, Loretta Lalu. She's going home with 50,000 rupees.
And the first runner-up, Miss Mahima Sinha, contestant number 3, is taking home 75,000 rupees.
And for the winner, Miss Gracy Nandy. She's going home with 1 lakh rupees.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please give a big and really, really good round of applause again to Miss Gracy Nandy, Miss Mahima Sinha, and Miss Loretta Lalu.